Ever wondered if time travel is possible? Today, we're diving into 5 scientifically plausible ways to travel through time. That's right, we're talking about real science, not just science fiction. Time travel forces us to confront the very nature of time itself. Thanks to Einstein and his revolutionary theories, we're starting to get a glimpse into the true nature of time and the tantalizing possibility of time travel. Imagine a giant sheet of rubber, that's our universe. Now picture folding that sheet in half so 2 points touch. That's a wormhole. As predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, is a tunnel through the fabric of space-time, connecting 2 distant points. It's like a cosmic shortcut connecting 2 distant points in space-time. If wormholes exist, they could potentially allow us to travel not only through space, but also through time. Think of it like this. If you could instantly travel to a distant galaxy billions of light years away, you would effectively be looking back in time. Of course, there are a few tiny problems, like the fact that we haven't actually found a wormhole yet. Number 2. Remember Einstein? Well, he's back, and this time he's messing with our concept of time. Einstein's theory of relativity says that time is not constant, it's relative. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you relative to someone standing still. Now, I know what you're thinking. Neil, I drive my car every day, and I haven't time traveled yet. And you're right, the effect is negligible at everyday speeds. But if you could travel at a significant fraction of the speed of light, time dilation would become very noticeable. You could travel for a few years, come back to Earth, and thousands of years would have passed here. This isn't just theoretical. Experiments with atomic clocks on high-speed aircraft and satellites have confirmed time dilation effects. However, achieving near light speeds is an immense challenge. The energy required to propel a spacecraft to such velocities is far beyond our current technological capabilities. Additionally, the effects of prolonged high-speed travel on the human body remain unknown. Despite these challenges, time dilation through high-speed travel remains one of the most plausible methods of time travel within the realm of modern physics. Number 3. Imagine a giant rubber band stretched across the entire universe. Now picture a tiny imperfection in that rubber band, a little wrinkle or a loop. That, my friends, is a cosmic string, at least in theory. These hypothetical defects are thought to be remnants of the very early universe. The cool thing about cosmic strings is that they are incredibly dense and carry an enormous amount of energy. If 2 cosmic strings were to collide or pass by each other at high speeds, they could potentially create a closed, time-like curve. It's essentially a path through space-time that loops back on itself, allowing you to travel back in time. But just like wormholes, cosmic strings remain purely theoretical at this point. Even if they do exist, they are likely to be incredibly rare. Additionally, harnessing their power for time travel would require an extraordinary level of control over forces beyond our current capabilities. Number 4. The Tipler cylinder, named after mathematician Willem Jacob van Stockham, is a theoretical object that makes a black hole look like a child's toy. Picture an infinitely long cylinder so dense that it warps the fabric of space-time around it. Now spin that cylinder at an insane speed, close to the speed of light. According to some physicists, this rotation could create a phenomenon called frame dragging, where the cylinder drags space-time along with it. And if you were to follow the right trajectory around this spinning cylinder, you could theoretically travel back in time. But building an infinitely long, super dense, rapidly spinning cylinder is a tad bit impractical. Finally, black holes, the gravitational behemoths of the cosmos, may also hold the key to time travel. These mysterious objects warp space-time so intensely that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. But they don't just affect matter, they also distort time itself. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, is a key prediction of Einstein's theory of relativity. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time passes. Near the edge of a black hole, its event horizon, time slows down dramatically compared to regions of weaker gravity. If an astronaut were to orbit a black hole without being pulled in, they would experience time at a much slower rate than someone on Earth. Upon returning, they might find that decades or even centuries had passed, while they had only aged a few years, effectively traveling into the future. However, venturing near a black hole comes with immense risks. The extreme gravitational forces could stretch and tear apart anything that gets too close, a process known as spaghettification. Moreover, traveling to and from a black hole presents enormous logistical challenges. While black holes offer a theoretical means of time travel, the journey would be fraught with danger. So there you have it, 5 ways to travel through time that don't contradict science. Are they easy? No. Are they even plausible with our current technology? Probably not. But are they scientifically possible? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The truth is, we're still grappling with the mysteries of the universe, and time travel is one of the biggest puzzles of all. Who knows? Maybe one day time travel will be as commonplace as hopping on a plane. Until then, we'll keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep dreaming of the day when we can finally unlock the secrets of time.